Good morning everyone. This is Gausby from CSC department. My topic is recursion with example program. Factorial of a given number. First we have to discuss introduction to recursion. Recursion is a programming techniques where a function calls itself to solve smaller instance of a problem. It is often used to break down complex problems into simpler sub-problems. Recursion requires a base case to prevent infinite loops and ensure the function even actually terminates. Understanding factorials. The factorial of a non-negative integer slash and slash n is defined as the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n slash. It is denoted by slash into n factorial slash, and it is defined as a n factorial is equals to n slash times n minus 1 into slash times n minus 2 slash times dot slash times 1 slash. The factorial of a 0 is defined as 1, which services as base case for recursion. Recursive approach. In recursive approach, the factorial function calls itself with a decremented value of slash into slash n slash. Each recursive calls continues until it reaches the base case where slash and n slash equals to 0. This method effectively divides the problem into manageable parts, solving each part in turns. Base case in recursion. The base case is crucially in recursion as it defines when the function should stop calling itself. For the factorial function, the base case is when slash into slash n slash is 0, returning 1. Without a base case, the recursion would continue the definitely leading to stack overflow error. Example factorial program. Below is a sample implementation of the factorial function using recursion in Python. Python. Define factorial n. If n equals to 0, return 1, else return 1 factorial n minus 1. This program checks if else into else is 0 and returns 1 if true. How the program works. When calling factorials 5, the function value is 5. Factorial 4. This process continues until the factorial 0 is reached, returning 1. Advantages of recursion. Recursion can simplify code and make it easier to understand, especially for complex problems. It allows for elegant solution to problems like tree travels and Fibonacci series. However, it may use more memory due to the call stack, which can lead to perform uses. Disadvantages of recursion. Recursive functions can lead to stack overflow if two recursive calls are made. They also be slower than iterative solutions due to the overhead of multiple function calls. Understand the recursion can be challenging for beginners as it requires a different way of thinking. Conclusion and recursion. Recursion is a powerful tool for solving problems that can be divided into smaller and sub-problems. The factorial function is a classic example of how correction can be applied practically. While correction has its pros and cons, it remains as essential concept in programming. Further learning resources. For those interested in deepening their understand of for action. Various online resources are available. Books and tutorials and data structures or algorithms often provide comprehensive insights into recursion. Engaging in coding exercise and challenges can also help reforms recursive thinking skills. Thank you.